Your fence screws keep coming loose and it's driving you crazy. But it's not just you. We've seen this issue hundreds of times. And today, we'll show you why it happens and how to finally fix it. The number one culprit? Weather. Wood naturally expands when it absorbs moisture, like after rain or snow, and shrinks as it dries in the sun or wind. Over time, this constant swelling and shrinking loosens the grip that screws have inside the wood. Even if the screw was tight at first, the fibers around it compress, weaken, and eventually let go. If you live in a place with frequent weather changes, you've probably seen this more than once. The second big reason? The screws themselves. Many people use standard drywall or interior screws, and those just aren't made for outdoor use. They rust, snap, or corrode within months, especially in humid or coastal areas. Instead, you need screws that are galvanized, stainless steel, or polymer coated, designed to resist rust and stay strong in all weather conditions. Fixing loose screws isn't just about tightening them. It's about using the right materials and knowing what your fence is up against. If the problem keeps coming back, it might be time to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Let us help. Give us a call at 781-767-3596 or visit caonfenceinc.com. We're here when you need solid solutions, not just quick fixes.